believe it took me so long to upgrade to a rainfall shower head. This has changed everything. I love showering now. Think here we have the rainfall shower head portion. This rainfall shower head is great. We'll get this turned on in just a minute. You have the attachment here where you can pull this off. This is 10 sprays. Technically only 9 because one of them is in the off position. Has some pretty neat features for if you need to clean your shower down, which I really like. Get into that later. Magnet on the back here snaps into place. And up top here you have your valve to turn it between rainfall and then this handheld piece here. Or you can use both at the same time. We have low water pressure, and this particular model caught my eye because it said high pressure rainfall head, and I was expecting to actually have really low pressure because we have low water pressure. Well, I actually put the restrictor in here and it brings down to about 1.75 gallons per minute, and the pressure and flow is excellent. Our old shower head sucked, so this is a much needed upgrade, and we've been using this now for a couple of months, and this thing is really good. It is made of plastic, which I wasn't too keen on to begin with, but it's holding up really well, doesn't leak. Really like this. Super simple to install, only took about 10 minutes. Take off your old shower head, screw this on in action. You want to change it over to here, turn this valve all the way up. Look at that. Want to use both these at the same time, just turn this until you hear a click, like that. Now you have both. Obviously there's not as much pressure because we've got both of them running at the same time. Take a look at the shower head now, and if you want to change the type of spray that's coming out, you just push this round here. So with one click round, turns on the middle jets now. And then be careful once you get to this one, and then you go to this one, because then it starts shooting water out the back here. And you go one more. And it's got a pretty high pressure jet. Then if you go all the way the other way, it turns it off. Depending on how you need to position this arm here, you can undo this nut here and then manipulate this up or down. Maybe you don't have a lot of height, so you need to point it down. It's easy to do this when you're installing the shower head itself, so do it then. You need to angle the rainfall shower head because you've got this at a weird angle. You can do that by undoing the nut up here and then turning this like this. Really like the hose that this comes with. It's not super long, but it gives you enough maneuverability to clean the bathtub or wash the dogs if you like to wash your dogs in your tub. If you're looking for a new shower head, it's got a rainfall feature. I really recommend you get this one here. This thing's been great, and I can't believe I didn't buy this sooner.